Okay.
The key turns. We're putting the cylinder back into the driver door. As you can see, it turns fine.
Yeah. After we cut it by a code.
Now we're going to program the vehicle. So we're going to put the key in the ignition, turn it to the on position.
Here is the programmer.
The programmer right here. We're going to find the OBD, which is right there. We're going to wait for the series of beeps, and we're going to wait for the security light, the security light to stay solid right there on the dashboard. You see how it's solid up there? Up there.
Security, yeah.
That's the security light.
Okay.
That was a pretty good reset. Okay.
That's it.
Now we gotta wait for the long beep. It might not show it, but it's okay. I'm gonna wait another 15 seconds. Okay, unplug the plug for me.
Alright, we're gonna take this.
Pull it out. Okay, now we're gonna turn the key off and on real quick 6 times.
Alright,
Off and
so
on 6 times, real quick.
1,
Quick.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Quick. Keep doing it. Quickly. There we go. The security light is off now.
Over there.
Yep, no more. Start the car.
And that's how you program brand new key 2008 Toyota Camry. Thanks for watching, guys.